Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're just getting started in the world of tech, or even if you've been around for a while, you know there's always something new to learn. And let's be honest, networking terms can sound like a whole other language. It's like trying to decipher a secret code. But don't sweat it, I've got you covered. I'm here to make it easy and understandable. In the next 3 minutes, we're going to demystify some of these terms. I'm breaking down 5 networking terms you definitely need to know to navigate the digital world with confidence. Let's get right into it. No time to waste. First up, LAN. That stands for Local Area Network. It's a fundamental concept in networking. Picture your home Wi-Fi. It's the perfect example of a LAN in action. Every device, your phone, the one you're probably holding right now, your laptop, where you might be doing work or browsing the web, your smart TV, connected within your house, all these devices seamlessly communicating with each other, that's a LAN. It's the foundation of your home network. It's basically a network that covers a small physical area, keeping everything connected locally, like a home, office, or school. Anywhere devices need to connect in a limited space. Super handy for sharing files and printers between devices close by. It streamlines productivity and makes life easier. Next is WAN, which means Wide Area Network. Get ready to zoom out. Think bigger, much bigger. If LAN is your house, the cozy little network within your walls, WAN is the entire city or even the world. It's the grand scale of interconnectedness. The most famous WAN, the internet itself. It's the ultimate example of a wide area network. WANs connect multiple LANs together using all sorts of tech. It's a complex web of connections. Cables, the physical pathways that carry data across vast distances, satellites beaming signals across the globe, you name it, so you can chat, game, or work with people far away. It's all thanks to the power of WAN. Now let's talk about the router, a crucial piece of the networking puzzle. You know that little box with blinking lights in your living room? The one that's always humming quietly? That's your router. It's the heart of your home network. Its job is to connect all the devices in your home, creating a seamless network environment, to each other and to the internet. It's the gateway to the online world. Think of it as air traffic control for data, a central hub managing the flow of information. Directing information to where it needs to go, ensuring that everything gets to the right place efficiently and reliably. Moving on to the modem. Another essential piece of hardware. The modem is another box, often overlooked but incredibly important. Usually, sitting next to your router. They're like 2 peas in a pod working together to bring you the internet. It connects your home network to your internet service provider, your lifeline to the web, the company that brings the internet to your door. They're the ones responsible for the physical connection. In simple terms, the modem is like a translator, bridging the gap between your devices and the internet, turning the digital language your devices speak, the ones and zeros that make up all the data, into something your ISP can understand, and vice versa. It's a crucial conversion process that enables communication. Alright, last one, firewall, the guardian of your network. Sounds intense, right? It's a term that often evokes images of high-tech security, but a firewall is just a security system for your network. Think of it as your digital bodyguard. It acts like a bouncer at a club, carefully monitoring who and what comes in, deciding which data gets in and which gets blocked. It's all about controlling access and preventing unwanted intrusions. Firewalls protect your devices from hackers and unwanted visitors, keeping your system safe from harm, keeping your data safe. It's a crucial layer of defense in today's digital landscape. So, let's recap. We've covered a lot of ground in a short amount of time. LAN connects nearby devices, creating a local network for sharing and communication. WAN connects networks across a wide area, enabling global communication and access to the internet. Your router ties your home together, managing the flow of data within your local network. Your modem links your home to the internet, translating signals and connecting you to the wider world, and your firewall keeps you safe, protecting your devices and data from online threats. Not too scary, right? Networking doesn't have to be intimidating. If you found this helpful, hit that like button to show your support, and subscribe for more tech tips made simple. We're here to break down complex topics and make them easy to understand. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. I'm always happy to answer your questions and provide guidance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of tech.